This spiky-legged spider is the resident predator terror of fish ponds around the globe. Its many eyes, hairy mouthparts, and huge fangs may be impressive, but it's the legs that are truly amazing. This arachnid not only walks on water, it can read the underwater world with its legs. Millions of tiny spikes detect vibrations on the water's surface. It can accurately judge where the movement is coming from, and even what prey item is causing it. A male lives in this section of the pond, and it's full of food. His back legs anchor him to the shore, while his supersensory feet get to work. Every little vibration is assessed. The fish was just out of reach. Walking on water is one thing, but this incredible spider can also breathe underwater. The hairs around the spider's abdomen create an air bubble. Its lungs look like the stacked pages of a book and draw oxygen from the bubble. This incredible adaptation allows the fishing spider to breathe underwater. The fish have been scared off, and now they're in the shallows. The fishing spider injects paralyzing venom into the fish, which slowly turns its insides into a nutritious soup. This prized catch will keep him satisfied for a day.